Hello, how does it here? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix some problems and issues with the Outlook app on the iOS. So first thing we want to check is for the update here. I'll go to your Outlook. We got our Outlook, and you need to see if you have the newest version of Outlook. I have the newest version, but if you don't have and you have here the update bar, that's the most common issue, and maybe you just need to update the app. But if after the update you still have some problems with the app, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first, go to the settings, go here, apps, go right there and find your Outlook app. After you find, you just need to set all settings to basic. Right here. Siri, everything fabric. Search fabric. Background app refresh on. Default mail, you don't need to. But for the next step, I just prefer no. Language, you can change, you don't need to, that doesn't matter. And after this, if you set auto default and you still have some issues and problems, the last way is just go here, take your Outlook app, remove app, uninstall, go back to the App Store and reinstall again, just like that. After this, all failures and issues should be fixed. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.